Okay, this is Snake brand cooling powder out of Thailand. This is the classic concoction. I think it comes with a lavender and some sort of seaweed mix as well. I have been using this brand for years because it's so easily accessible on Amazon and it does what it says. It's for prickly heat. And I live in a very hot climate. When you're out and about, you just get really sticky, rashy, and this serves up the job. Like it really does what it's supposed to do. So I actually decant a bit of this in the summer just to if like on a trip or something like that, like a hiking trip when I get really sweaty, and if I'm really desperate, I'll put this on. And sometimes in the summer too, I'll put it as a preventative method to prevent chafing. So typically on the bra area of my upper body, and of course between those thick thighs, absolute must. So this is a good one. Classic, can't go wrong.